Waikiki. Kiss my.
So I'm in my car because there's no quiet place in my house for me to film and talk. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today's video I'm going to show you how to do your nails in quarantine. If you're a girl that loves to get her nails done but you can't during this time, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you a somewhat easier way to achieve acrylic nails. It's kind of like a dupe for appraised nails or gel X nails. I'll be doing it on my mom because I've been trying to grow out my nails. If you want to see how I do these nails, keep on watching. Here are the things you'll need. The first thing you want to do is soak your nails in water. This will help soften the cuticle to help for preparation. You can use cuticle remover after this to soften the cuticle even more, but at the time I didn't have any. Next, you want to push back the cuticles, remove any dead skin. This will help prevent any lifting in the future. After pushing back the cuticles, you want to cut away any dead skin lifting from the nail. Make sure not to cut any live skin because you will bleed. You want to just buff the nail so slightly so that the gel has a rougher surface to sit on. I feel that if it's too smooth, it is more prone to peeling off. Next, you want to just wash off or clean off any debris from the nail. Make sure to dry off your nails and then apply a primer. Next, going in with our base coat and applying that throughout the whole nail bed and then curing. Then we are going in with our base gel and applying at the end of the nail tip. To apply this to your nail, you want to go from the cuticle and press until the gel is seen down all the way to the free edge, which is the end of the nail. After you have it placed where you need, make sure that it's not crooked. Apply a little bit of pressure with your thumb. Cure under the light. After curing under the light on that side, apply pressure to the opposite side and cure again so that you make sure that the nail is fully cured throughout the whole nail bed. Go ahead and do this for the rest of the nails. Once you have all your claws on, go ahead and trim them to your liking. How long do you want it?
Not too long though.
File them to make them even and smooth. Go ahead and buff the surface of the nail again so that we have a rough surface for the gel to sit on. Apply your primer for your gel color application. The way I apply my nail polish is by rocking a little bit where the nail cuticle is so that we have a nice clean line, and then drag the color down to the free edge. Make sure you seal the gel at the end of the nail so that it helps prevent any peeling or chipping of the gel. Make sure to cure and apply as many coats as you need. Apply your top coat, cure that, and don't forget to apply your cuticle oil to make it all shiny. Here is her full set, all done, and here is also another picture of when I did my nails myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!